Our philosophy and approach in high yield at Baillie Gifford is distinctive and supports value creation for our clients through a long-term allocation to the asset class. We believe that fundamentals drive corporate success and failure, and therefore determine bond returns over the long term. We align ourselves with that time frame, seeking out resilient companies, those that can adapt as technologies and societies change. We apply forward-looking, deep fundamental research to determine resilience, analysing the competitive position, ESG, and capital structure of every company that enters the fund, equipping us with a forensic knowledge of the companies that we lend to and enabling us to back our winners. As bond selectors, we focus on identifying idiosyncratic opportunities and target those areas of inefficiency where we can maximize the value added from our fundamental research. Our fund differs from its peers in its focus, time horizon, and alpha generation. Our focus is on resilience. We lend to growth companies, not value traps, building on Baillie Gifford's heritage as growth equity investors. As such, our fund exhibits a structural bias against challenged businesses of the past. This approach has delivered an excellent low default track record and similar income to the market, but with greater potential capital upside. Our time horizon is long-term, typically investing for 3 to 5 times longer than peers. What this means for our clients is a focused, not frantic investment style, maximizing the potential to deliver significant capital appreciation in the asset class. Finally, we generate alpha from our bond selection. Performance is therefore driven by individual company success, not hard to decipher technical factors or tactical beta plays. So what you should expect is an approach that has potential to outperform through the cycle. Two recently purchased holdings, which we believe offer significant upside potential, are Burford Capital and Smile Direct Club. Burford Capital is a founder-led litigation finance company, providing capital against the future value of legal claims for a share of the eventual proceeds, correcting the imbalance of repeat litigators. Optically high losses, inherent illiquidity, and uncertainty in legal cases weigh heavily on the rating agency's scorecards, undervaluing the high barriers to entry, exceptionally skilled underwriters, lack of correlation to the financial cycle, and significant cash from outsized returns. Long term, we believe Burford Capital has the potential to reach an investment-grade rating. Smile Direct Club is another founder-led company, disrupting the legacy dentistry model of care. Using clear aligners instead of metal braces and going direct to consumer, the company has helped democratize access to a smile. Whilst the market remains concerned about the level of cash burn and the recent influx of competition, we're not afraid to take a longer-term view. We think first mover advantage is critical and see a clear pathway to profitability that could lead to meaningful upside in their convertible bonds. The biggest challenge has been navigating the foundational shift of societal expectations of investors' role in allocating capital towards a sustainable future. And it's not only navigating to foster sustainability, but also aiming to run the fund authentically and in the best interest of clients. The challenge comes from the fact that sustainability is by its very nature subjective, emotive, exceptionally complex, and constantly evolving. Fundamentally, social norms are shifting quickly on topics such as equality, human rights, or climate change. This in turn means that the future of today looks very different from the future 5 years ago. And this is a good thing. The evolution of societal expectations, as well as our more visceral understanding of the challenges we face as a society, is shifting the goalposts for what success looks like for companies. As long-term investors, we have the opportunity to persistently reassess what the future holds for our investees and how they will fare. We have this unique opportunity to interact with ambitious companies, some of whom are providing frontier solutions to many of the greatest challenges faced by our society. I'm excited to share more with clients about how Baillie Gifford High Yield Bond Fund approaches sustainability going forward.